What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Took a little break. Been kind of busy. I went back to one of my old jobs and just had a lot of free time when I was full-time trading. So I'm trying to maximize my income this year. I got a few goals I got set, and yeah, it works perfectly with trading. Pretty exhausting, but it is what it is. You got to sacrifice certain things if you want certain things in life. If you want financial freedom, you got to sacrifice, a certain job or sleep. Like my situation, I have to sacrifice sleep in order to be able to trade after work, and it'll pay off. It'll pay off for sure. But we're back. March was pretty. March was kind of mid, not that good. April has been pretty good so far. You can see right here, my first week was pretty good. I haven't taken a trade this week. This week has been really slow. I was in the trade for 1 second. That was it. I accidentally hit the bid. There's a bid and ask on the DOM on Topstep platform. I took that off. Figured out how to take that off. I accidentally entered the trade. Thankfully, it's only $32 negative, but that's just fine. I don't really care about that. But you can see through these accounts, I haven't taken anything this week, so a little slow. It's kind of like it's like giving March price action once again, but that's fine. We'll see how the month plays out. Weeks don't really matter. It's more so the month. You can have a slow week, like say we have 2 bad weeks, 2 slow weeks, and 2 good weeks out of the month. That's perfectly fine. It all depends on what you execute on, and what you do as a trader to protect your capital and to keep yourself growing and not making mistakes. You just have to understand what is going on in the market and the characteristics of the market during the time of the year that you're trading in. Just like how Q2 is a little bit different than Q1 right now, but it hasn't been too bad. You can also see here we have 3 50K expresses now and another 50K combine I started. So I got funded 2 more times, I think, since the last video that I put out. I'm pretty sure, but yeah, these 2 expresses are new, and I pulled a withdrawal with this one. See, I'm at 482 balance with loss limit of 0. I got half my money back. I gave it to Topstep. So yeah, I just wanted to pull a little withdrawal. I had to, a little eager, kind of not the best idea to do so because of Topstep rules. You got to play by their rules, play their game essentially. So you need to be smart with how you're going to pull money out of these express accounts, but that's just fine. I got my money, half my money back, so now we're going to be waiting and be disciplined, letting my accounts compound, and yeah, trying to avoid going live. You really don't want to go live with Topstep. That's the thing. But yeah, you can go to my dashboard. See, I got I think this is my first, I believe this is my first express I had, but yeah, you can see I passed 2 more combines, and then I got this new one. I'm doing the day 1 day trading until I pass 50K combine, and then restart to day 1 day trading 50K express. Doing that little Instagram trend, so make sure you go follow my Instagram. Definitely going to be uploading or posting on my story daily about like my daily P&L, the setups that I'm taking. Definitely be on there more often than on YouTube, because YouTube just takes more time, and I haven't put out a video because I'm trying to create some quality content and show like good executions on good trades. So yeah, let's just get straight to the live trade breakdown. Whoa, okay. 11 point, okay. There's your 15-minute regular candle. Oh boy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, so pretty simple. It's just a high probability demand. Push up, break some structure, come back down, wait for the momentum and enter, set your take profit and stop loss. Like, it cannot get more simple. I don't even need to explain it anymore. Like, I don't need to explain it anymore. I'm not gonna lie, it's so simple. I could just throw the video up and, you know, it's just the same exact thing, same exact concept over and over and over. It's the thing with trading, is it's just a continuous pattern that occurs. So pretty damn simple. But I did throw up the picture of the Topstep payout that I got, the request from the Express I did, and then my bank account showing that it was deposited, ACH deposit, refreshed it, show you that it actually came through. But yeah, it's simple textbook setup, 15-minute demand. EMAs are in line. It was a 5-minute low probability, which is just fine. The higher time frames were pretty beautiful. We had a 1-hour demand. You guys can, if you guys want to look at it, you guys can go on TradingView, look at it back for yourself. I'm trying to keep the videos kind of shorter, so not going to be doing the replay mode for this one. But I mean, textbook setup, you could also take it on the 5-minute breakout. It's literally the same exact thing. It's just aggressive buying, retracement, go back up. Simple. And this trade was pretty beautiful. It was just shy of a 1 to 3, and I was pretty content with profits on the Express where like I exited on the Express. For the most part, you can only see the combine. That's because I'm trying to just do the Instagram stuff right now. I'm trying to grow the YouTube off of Instagram for the most part. So you only see me on the combine for the most part on Topstep platform, but you can see my day P&L, or no, my open P&L fluctuate, and then my day P&L where I close the trades. It's on the Expresses anyway. And yeah, this was actually before I got the new combine. But also at the end, I threw in a odd USD trade, which is pretty unorthodox. I've like traded odd USD twice, I think, on Topstep so far. Both times I've won. This is kind of, it's pretty unorthodox. We used to, we come from FOREX, so GU, AU, GJ, that used to be our stuff, I'm not gonna lie. GJ, a little bit different than GU and AU, but GU and AU definitely used to hit back in the day. Supply and demand was pretty good. It still occurs. Odd USD still is pretty good. Like the trade that I took on there, it was just, I mean, textbook. It was like, that was like NAS, old NAS price action. NAS has really not been it so far this year. It's kind of been a little weird. It wasn't too bad at the beginning of the year, but right now it hasn't been that good, so we haven't been trading it. We've been trading ES more. As far as indices, Russell has some supply and demand occurring, which has not been bad, but I've also been looking at Platinum 5-minute supply and demand. I might take some setups on that eventually, but the only way that I'll take a Russell setup is if it's an A+ setup. It has to, everything has to be aligned, and it has to be like every box has to be checked in order for me to take a Platinum trade. Because looking at past price action, Platinum supply and demand is pretty good when everything is in line. You know, we're trending, break a structure, EMA is in line, where like all the confluence are just stacking up. So maybe I'll trade Platinum one of these days. Right now it's just gold, ES, maybe Russell eventually. I've never traded Russell yet. Never traded Russell, Platinum. But yeah, that's just kind of where I'm at as far as what I'm going to trade. I try to keep it minimal. We're in a little, it's a little weird right now. Trump is doing his thing with the economy, tariffs and stuff, so indices are kind of, they're good and they're bad at the same time. It's a little inconsistent right now. But gold has been blessed. You know, with all these tariffs and stuff, it's making the US dollar shaky. So gold's volatility is definitely there. But yeah, here soon, maybe I'll put out some more videos. I'm trying to put out some more videos. Got to get into the groove of it, definitely, because it's a little weird doing this YouTube stuff. It's a little different for me, but yeah, I'll definitely try to put out some more videos. It's not just going to be live trading for the most part. I'm going to do these videos on good executions and good setups, stuff like that. But I will be putting out some more videos. Maybe I'll try and do like some more like emphasis on just basic market structure or basic things to understand price action, understand how we read these charts, the technical analysis. Maybe I'll do like how to spot liquidity or back testing, maybe some market structure or something like that. Just something where it's not just me executing only, it's something more where you can learn from. But yeah, it's gonna be it for the video, and let's see what we can get for April.